Today's a good day because I can fit back into my skinny jeans. And we're gonna celebrate by making some Bliss balls, but they're gonna be sugar-free. Completely 100% sugar-free, natural, delicious. Okay, I was on my way to make these Bliss balls and then I got a call, a very exciting call for an audition. I had to prepare a monologue and a presenting thing and I rushed here. I've been waiting for 4 hours. Finally did the audition. It went well, I think. I don't know, you never know. Anyways, it's done. Now I'm very looking forward to making my Bliss balls. So the Bliss balls, back to business, they are sugar-free and there's a car coming by. So they must be like, what's this girl doing with the camera? They're sugar-free and there's this very one important, crucial ingredient called Lucuma Powder. And we are gonna go buy it now. And then I'm gonna make these Bliss balls so we can make this video. But the most important thing is that I am still wearing the jeans. Yes, so I'm home and I am so hungry after what was the longest casting I've ever been to, but a lot of fun. Okay, so let's get to these Bliss balls because I want to get them in my belly. Okay, so I use the base. The bases of the Bliss ball are just pumpkin seeds. Get it at Discam. What do I have next? I have some raw cacao powder. It's organic. It's raw, it's cacao. So you know how people always say to you, chocolate's really good for you, full of antioxidants? Well, not cocoa, because cocoa has gone beyond the temperatures and it's been heated, so it doesn't have those healthy properties. But cacao, raw organic cacao, it has all those good things for you. So now for my superfoods. I'm a superfood girl. Maca powder. I got this one from Health Connections, Whole Food. I'm not particular about a brand as long as it's organic and raw. Maca has vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and it is so good for your hormones. Then lucuma. This is the ingredient I went to go buy. And it's a natural sweetener. It's a great alternative to sugar and it's from the Peruvian superfruit. It is rich in iron, zinc, vitamin B13. It's got lots of good stuff for you and it tastes really, really nice. So let me make these Bliss balls. Still wearing the jeans. Still wearing the jeans. With some slippers. Oh, I forgot a very important ingredient. Almond butter. This is a very greedy portion. So now we move on to the appliance. The appliance is quite important. Don't walk into stuff. My friend, the Magimix. Okay, so here we have it. I don't know how much water to add. You kind of have to put the water in and see what is till the consistency is right, till you can roll it in a ball. It's like I need a camera like all over the show. Take a little bit, small portion, because I like snacking all the time. And you just roll. And you have a little ball. These are really, really great for putting one in your handbag when you have a super duper long audition of 4 hours. Before I go to gym, when I start getting moody because I'm hungry, quickly have one. Great for traveling. You could put more lucuma in, make it sweeter, but I don't have a very sweet chicken. Taste that goodness. Hot and roll, just switch my camera off. And voila! Put some goji berries, organic. And now I'm gonna pop this into the freezer, take out a few and keep them in the fridge, and then the rest I just put in the freezer. It lasts you longer, keeps me from eating all of them in one go. So make some Bliss balls, let me know what you think. Yay, I'm in time to go for my walk with my friend Tash.